Cleaning means apply Ho'oponopono for me in any form, any way that I know to do that. When what you read on the books, it is the 4 phrases: thank you, love you, please forgive me, and I'm sorry. But this is only one way to do that. But here in the class, we just shared many ways to do the cleaning. We just started this morning with the phrase, I love you. So when I say I love you, or I think I love you, or I write I love you, I'm doing the cleaning. When I drink blue solar water, I'm doing cleaning. So I don't need to say I love you, thank you, please forgive me, I'm sorry. Just drink blue solar water. Or if you have a couple of minutes, you can do the ha breath. And when while you're doing the ha breath, you are doing your cleaning. When you say thank you, you are doing your cleaning. When you do the 12-step process, you're doing your cleaning. What is the message? It means that you can do the cleaning in many, many different ways during the days. You have a set of different ways to do the cleaning. So I believe this is the beautiful. For example, it is 15 years that I do the cleaning, and I do always in different way. Maybe I get bored if I would do always in the same way. For example, if I wear my shirt today, this blue shirt today, it's okay. But if tomorrow I will wear the same shirt, and the day after tomorrow I will wear the same shirt, and then for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 year, and I use always the same shirt, maybe I get bored. I'm tired to use the same shirt. So I assume that you too, you change your clothes every day, or you don't use always the same clothes. On the same way, you don't need you don't have to use always the same cleaning tool. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So when you do Ho'oponopono, I invite always, for me, it was very beautiful to change my practice. And this is what I mean doing the cleaning.